Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And this is layout number 1 for our February 2025 challenge, which is regarding love. And love could stand for any type of love that you have for cooking, gardening, your grandchildren, your children, your pets, nature, anything to do with outdoors. The photograph that I am documenting today in this Smashbook for this layout is a photograph of my son, my daughter-in-law, and my granddaughter. And so to the left, you see the photograph, and I'm going to mat this photograph on this 6x6 paper. To the right, you see my paper embellishment. So I have a couple of circles, tabs, tags, a word phrase, and a looks like 3x4 card. Let me look, let me measure it. It is 4x6 card. So I'm going to set those to the side. You see that I have this ink pad called Paprika from Close to My Heart. I have Brilliance, and this is Galaxy Gold ink over here to the right. Also to my left, I have these stickers from Vicki Boutin, and it's from the Fernwood collection. That's a very, very old collection. I have here these wood chipboard type pieces, but I'm not going to use any of them, but I'm interested in this glitter tape here. I don't know. That's kind of, it looks like it's a brown, but anyway, it could be a black. All right, so I'm going to set this aside and this aside, and let's mat my photograph. And then I'm going to create a cluster over here, but I want to do some stamping on this side. And I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but I want to use this stamp from Close to My Heart, and it's called Design Elements, just in case you have it in your scrappy stash. I know Close to My Heart's not in business anymore, and I'm going to use this one right here. And hopefully, my scratch on my finger isn't standing out too much. I apologize. Scratched my finger. So, and we're gonna go right there. All right, we're done with that one. Now the next one I want to use stamp is from Thoughtful Tokens. It was the stamp of the month in 2023 in the month of the 9th month. So that would have been September. Now I want the Galaxy Gold. This is really juicy. And I want it up here. I'm hoping this is going to show up. And it didn't show up so well. That's all right. I can see it a little bit. I'm wondering if I should stamp it. See, I don't know if it'll stand out any better if I stamp it with color box. Now let's stamp this out. All right. All right, I'm going to try to line this up. Very good. Okay, I like that. Okay, the next thing that I am going to do is add some splatters using the Inklings from Shimmers, and it's called Minor 49er. This is quite old. I refreshed it with some water. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but I did. And then I want some big ones. And I'll just hold it there. And that created a bigger splatter. I'm just holding the tip of this round brush over where I just did some splatters because I want some fairly decent flowers. I want some decent splatters. All right. Then we're going to let that dry for a little bit. All right, let's work on this side. So we have this 3x4, no, what did I say is 4x6 card. And I'm gonna, I think, set that there. I'm trying to find the placement. My photograph is gonna go about right there. So I think I want to push that up. We're gonna put that right there. Okay, let's see. I've got these out here. May use that over there on that one. Circle. Put this in here. Maybe I need to tuck this under. All right, we're going to cut that. I think I'm going to ink the edge in Distressed Ink in Black Soot. We're going to do that. Put some adhesive. So I'm not sold on either one of those. It's not bad. See, that's not so white. It has that off-white color with some of the green. So I kind of like that. That's like a nice little grouping right there. Thankful. Let's see, what else can we use? I have another flower. Should I put this like that? And then I have another flower like this. Okay. And then, I don't know, maybe we should put yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to tie this yellow and that yellow, and I'd call that like a mustard yellow. We're going to tie that right there. I like that. Do you like that? I like that. Oh, and then I had this sparkle. Oh yeah, let's use some of this up. I may be able to use that on this other page. It'll draw, yes, that looks good. Okay. All right, this layout is complete. So you see over here on the right hand side, my splatters have dried except for the new ones I just added. We have the word thankful in my element. We put that tab there, the oblong one, then the round tab, and then we have that button. To the left, we have the tag, the round tag, the round like frame. It was a frame that I cut. 3 flower stickers from the Fern collection from Vicki Boutin. The word document. My heart is from 49 and Market. And then we have 2 gold stickers from the Fern collection. And then from my alphas, I have 2024, and now I'm thinking it might be 2023. If it is, it won't be hard for me to lift that and place a 3. And then I added a little bit of those gold splatters using the Inklings from Minor 49er put out by Shimmer Paints. All right, this is complete, like I just said. I appreciate you all for stopping by. And as I always say, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that if someone that you and I don't know that's looking for inspiration, my videos will pop up for them, and then they can be a subscriber. All right, we'll see you next time. Happy scrapping. Bye.